Hello everyone. This is Crisanto Domingo, Head Teacher 3, Pedro Teorata National High School. Kagaya ng lagi kong sinasabi, ganito lang yan. So itutuloy natin yung lesson natin regarding sectors and segments of a circle. Now we try to discuss segment of a circle. So ito yung region enclosed by an arc and the segment joining its endpoints. So dito sa ating figure, ito po yun. Yung unshaded region. So enclosed by arc RM and the segment joining its endpoints, which is point R and point M. Ayan. So yung area ng segment of the circle is given by the area of the segment equals area of the sector minus area ng triangle. So this might seem longer, itong formula na to, kasi yung area ng sector, yun yung lesson natin nung una. And then, hahanapin natin yung area ng triangle. Yan. So, yung area ng triangle PRM na na-form can be computed in 3 steps, including na yung area ni segment. So, una, hanapin natin yung height ni PA gamit si Pythagorean theorem. So, our Pythagorean theorem is c squared equals a squared plus b squared, or c is equal to the square root of a squared plus b squared. However, dito sa atin, ang gagamitin natin is the length of PA is equal to the square root of the radius squared, which is PR and PM, minus the segment, yung ating RM, divided by 2, and then we square that. Or, another formula for finding PA is we have, if it is in degrees, PA is equal to R times the cosine of pi over, of theta over 2. And then step number 2, we find the area of the triangle using the formula 1/2 the base of the triangle times its height, yung kinumpute natin na PA. And then number 3, itong computed na area ng triangle, isusubtract natin sa na-compute natin na sector ng circle. So, pag nag-subtract tayo nun, makukuha natin yung area ng segment. However, mayroong another formula kung saan yung area ng segment ay makukompute natin directly. Kapag yung angle, si theta, is given in degrees. So, ito yung formula. The area of the segment is equal to r squared times the quantity, the angle times the pi divided by 360 minus the sine of the angle divided by 2. So, we try to focus dito sa formula na ito. So, we have here our triangle. So, the unshaded region bounded by arc RM and segment RM is a segment of circle P. If this arc measures 60 degrees and the radius of the circle is 8 centimeters, find the area of this bounded region. So, use pi 3.14. So, ang given natin, arc which is 60 degrees and then the radius which is 8 centimeters. So, hanapin natin itong segment na ito. So, our solution would be, so yung formula, area of the segment is equal to r squared times the quantity, the angle times pi divided by 360 minus the sine of the angle over 2. So, ito yun, yung ating figure. So, we have 8 square, our radius, times the quantity 60 pi divided by 360 minus sine 60 over 2. So, that would be 64 times the quantity. 60 over 360 is 1 over 6. 1 times pi is pi. Kaya we have here pi over 6 minus the value of sine 60, which is 0.866 or 866 thousandths divided by 2. So, that would be equal to 64 times 0.5233 minus 0.433. So we have 64 times 0.0903. Our area of this unshaded region would be equal to 5.78 centimeters, rounded off to 2 decimal places. Another example, a sector of radius 15 is cut from a circle C. Tignan natin yung figure. Ayan. The angle of the intercepted arc is 150 degrees. Ayan. Ito yung kanyang radius, which is 15. So, hanapin natin yung area ng segment AR. Ito yung red part. So, again, the same formula. Iso-substitute na lang natin o ipapalit si 15 dun sa R, si 150 dun sa theta, and then perform the necessary operations. Ayan. So, we have 15 square times 150 times pi divided by 360 minus the sine of 150 divided by 2, which is equal to 225, and then 150 over 360 is 5 over 12, so 5 times pi or 5 times 3.14 divided by 12 minus sine of 150 is 0.5 or 1/2 divided by 2. So we have 225 times 1.059 or 1 and 59 thousandths times 225. So the area of the segment would be 238.275, or it is approximately equal to 238.28 centimeters. Thank you.